Transparency International presents the Corruption Perceptions Index 2019. Using a scale of 0 to 100, where 0 is highly corrupt and 100 is very clean, the CPI analyzes public sector corruption in 180 countries and territories around the world. The top countries are New Zealand and Denmark, while the bottom countries are Soomaaliya, South Sudan, and Syria. However, when it comes to improving on corruption, the majority of countries are stagnating. Our analysis shows how the stream of big money in politics is linked to higher rates of corruption. In fact, low CPI scores are also associated with higher concentrations of power among the rich, while poorer citizens have little to no political influence. But even countries with high CPI scores aren't free of corruption. Multiple scandals show that transnational corruption is often facilitated by countries at the top of the index, countries where the proceeds of corruption are stashed. To prevent corruption and ensure that politicians and institutions always act in the public interest, governments must meaningfully engage citizens in decision-making processes. Help us spread the word.